Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: WhatsApp installed, phone unlocked, and a charged battery. Once ready, open your device settings app and find network or connections. You need to access mobile network or data usage. Don't open WhatsApp yet. Make sure airplane mode is off so system toggles show correctly. If your phone groups apps under data usage, tap that. This first step prepares the controls you'll change to stop WhatsApp using cellular data. Now you'll cut WhatsApp's cellular access. Open Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow WhatsApp, then choose Data Usage or Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Disable background data so it can't sync on cellular. This prevents notifications via mobile. Next, turn off mobile data access for the app entirely. This blocks any cellular transfers while preserving Wi-Fi. Once done, double-check data saver exceptions and remove WhatsApp if it's allowed. Finish by testing. With Wi-Fi on, open WhatsApp to confirm sync. Then disable Wi-Fi so the phone uses cellular. Messages should stop arriving. If they still appear, restart your phone to enforce the new app permissions. Make sure any battery or data saver mode isn't overriding your settings. Sometimes system optimizers re-enable permissions. If issues continue, reset network settings or revisit app permissions to ensure mobile data access is blocked. This verifies and resolves remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.